Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add telephone number in your navigation menu in WordPress. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use. Then simply type in www.wordpress.com in the search bar. Then click on enter. After that it will simply take you to this page where you have to just simply put your login credentials. And once you put in login credentials, it will simply take you to this page, and from here you have to just simply click on the edit site option here in the right hand side. And once you click on the edit side option, it will simply take you to the editor option. From here you have to just simply click on the navigation option, and here in the navigation option you have to just simply click on the three dot, then you have to just simply click on the edit option, and here you have to just simply click on the top menu, and here you have to just simply click on the plus icon. And from here you have to just simply type in TEL, and then you have to just simply put in the colon, and then you have to just simply put in the number that you would like to press. So let's say I'd like to put a random number, and then it will simply add that number to your menu. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.